Hi everyone, welcome this Sunday morning to the Ask Bess video column. I'm here every Saturday and Sunday at noon Eastern Time to respond to questions that you may have. I am a body-mind therapist, a holistic health practitioner, and a coach for network marketers and for business and life. And enjoy coming to you. Welcome, Sherry. How are you? Welcome. And I'm glad to see you. Glad to see everyone. Wonder if you're watching the replay, please type in replay. And also, I love to hear where you're from in the world. Today, the topic is called How to Always Get a Yes When Prospecting. So it's speaking directly to network marketers, but it could be speaking to all entrepreneurs. This is actually a tip for everyone. Oh, I'm glad you're doing great. I'm glad. So who am I? I am a body-mind therapist, counselor, coach, Reiki master, minister, Tai Chi teacher, all of these things for the last 30 years. And I've helped hundreds of people break through blocks that they have in their mindset, letting go of fears, negative beliefs to become who they really are, and to take personal growth to their next step. So my niche, as about 10 years ago, I niched down to helping network marketers because network marketers are my heroes. I was one full-time. I know what it takes. It takes facing ourselves a lot, doesn't it? It's really a personal growth course. I'm now a generic coach, dedicated totally to coaching network marketers. This is definitely my calling. And anyone who has a challenge in their business or life, both. But helping people, coaching with the mindset and personal growth, that definitely is my calling. And I'm dedicated to being a generic coach for network marketers, not being in a company. So this is what I'm doing the rest of my life, and have done the last 30 years. This show is inspired by Ann Lander's column, who said that people want to be heard. People want to be heard and to know they matter. So my message to you with this show is, you matter. I hear you. You're not alone. There's a solution to every problem before you. And the solution is not far away. It's not hard to get to. And you're bigger than any problem in front of you. And you can become a master problem solver. And you don't have to do it alone. I'll help. I'll teach my Real Conversations 4-step method that I evolved over 20 years ago to help people move from problem to solution in 4 simple steps. That is the problem, the emotion, the need underneath that, and the solution to meet the need, because every problem is a sign of an unmet need. So this is a method that I observed, the 4 steps that I observed that I went through and that I help my clients and students go through. And so I thought I better write these down. There's always 4 steps that we go through to get from problem to solution, to solve a problem. And so I wrote these down, and I thought, I could teach this. I could teach people how to do this for themselves. So I call it a self-help method called Real Conversations with ourselves. And I will post a link below, or you can go to the Facebook event Real Conversations class and get that information too. Today I would like to zero in on a question that, and by the way, Ask Bess means you can ask a question here, or you can private message me if you want me to respond to your question without a name attached to it. You can always private message me and say, don't use my name, but here's my question. Please respond to this on the show. Or you can type in a question now of a coach for health, wealth, life. You know, it could be anything with network marketing, business, career, job, family, relationships, communication, health, weight loss, spiritual fulfillment, any of these things. This is what I've been doing for 30 years with people. I call it a business and a life coach. So the topic today, though, is a very special one. And the question is, how do I get, I'm not making my calls. I'm not prospecting and network marketing. What is holding me back? Well, there could be a few things. We want to take a look at the mindset and the skills. Mindset is 80% of success, skills is 20%. But the confidence, a lot of times we don't have, or I was very shy as a network marketer, very introverted and very shy. And I was scared to talk to people. I was scared that they wouldn't like what I said. They wouldn't like me for selling. They would think that, my friends would think that I was only interested in them for my business purposes. I wasn't sure really what to say to them that would be optimal. And if I had known this then, known this script that I'm going to share with you share with you briefly here, if I had known this, I could have been a success, and I was full-time for years actually, but I could have been a success easier, sooner, faster, better, and have been easier on me. Welcome, Luya. Glad to see you. Shamala, if you're watching the replay here, I tried to bring people on, but Facebook would not allow me to invite people today. Let me see if it will now. Let's see if I can invite. Yep, now I can invite people to watch. Okay, I'm going to invite you, Shamala, and some other friends here. And just real quick, because it wouldn't let me do that before. So I'm just inviting a few friends. Okay, so there we go. Hope that helps with people who want to come on. And welcome, David Roeder. Good to see you. Good morning. And David Peter. David Roeder is here. Yes, good to see you, David. Thank you. So what I'm talking about, David, is something that you already know, and this is how to always get a yes when prospecting. But it can solve the problem of confidence, because a lot of times when people think, well, why am I not prospecting? They simply need the skills. And then they don't have the confidence, or they're scared to. But when they get the skills, a lot of time that takes care of a lot of the confidence. So even though I've talked about mindset and confidence in past shows, today I'm going to talk specifically about the skills. You need them both, of course. So it was about a year and a half ago that for the last 10 years, I've run a school for network marketers called the MLM Millionaire Club. Now it's called the MLM Millionaire Academy to more reflect the school that it is. About a year and a half ago, I was talking with Jeffrey David Gamble on the phone, and I said, well, this is how I teach people how to always get a yes. You know, you work with a personality, you listen for a problem that you can solve, and then you ask them if they would like to solve that problem. And he said, well, that works with some of the personality, one of the personalities, but he had a method that worked with all of the personalities and made it even more simple for people. It's a super indirect method, how to always get a yes when prospecting. And it just like floored me. You know, we ended up talking like a long time that night, because I said, oh my gosh, I have to teach this within the school. Will you come and teach us in the school? So he did. And now we're working together in that. And he and his fiancée Brandy and I are actually running the MLM Millionaire Academy, School for Network Marketers. So this method that he has, it's so simple. It never gets a no. It always gets a yes. It never gets objections. It works with all four personalities. It makes it's very easy, simple, duplicatable. People in our school have been jumping ranks and getting huge results by using it. And it's like, oh my gosh, we field tested it now, and now my goal is to get this in the hands of all network marketers, to let all network marketers know about it. So what we're watching from South Africa, awesome. And good morning, everybody. Glad to see you. So what Jeff and I are doing tonight is a special open house in our school where we are going to go over this method, as well as the 10-minute presentation that we teach, what to say after it, as well as what to say after that and what to say after that. So that's why it's so darn duplicatable, because it works with all personalities. In every case, we made it so simple that it's easy to do. You know exactly what to say in every case, and most people are interested. And that's how people have been jumping ranks faster than I've ever seen before in people that I've coached during the School of Network Marketing. So we would love to share that with you. It's the script, how to do the 10-minute presentation, what you say after that and after that. We teach a lot more in school. We teach the 10 core commitments of network marketing that have been proven for decades to used by the top earners in network marketing. So these are definitely time-proven, timeless principles, the 10 things that you must do in network marketing to be successful. And we teach one of these a week in the school. We have a class every Sunday night called the Quick Start Basics that includes all of this. and it's every Sunday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. We used to charge $100 a month for the school. Now we lowered it to $25 so that everybody can afford it. And if you heard us speak of the school and you wonder what it's like, tonight is your chance to hop on the open house at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And I will put the call-in information below, or you can find it right now at the Facebook event, How to Always Get a Yes When Prospecting. Facebook event, How to Always Get a Yes When Prospecting. So you can get all the call-in information for that right now. Hop on at 9 p.m. Eastern Time tonight. Bring friends, bring a team. Now, imagine if a genie were to come to you. If you found a magic lamp, you're walking on the beach and you found this old rusty lamp, and you clean it off a little bit and a genie comes out. And the genie says, hello, I'm a genie for network marketers. I'm here to grant you one wish in your network marketing business. What would you wish for? Would it be $1 million from my network marketing business? But then you think, oh, wait a minute. I should ask for recurring income. Recurring $1 million, not just a one-time $1 million, because that doesn't go as far as it used to anymore, everybody, especially with medical expenses and other things that can come up. So, no, not Genie, take away, cancel that wish. Not just $1 million. How about recurring $1 million? And even more than that, how about a skill that will always ensure that I could have that recurring income? Let me wish for that. Let me wish for something that will be as duplicatable, as easy, and can ensure the recurring income in network marketing. And the genie says, okay, here it is. It's a script and a method called How to Always Get a Yes When Prospecting. That would be like gold. That would be like hitting gold in network marketing, wouldn't it? If you could have that. Well, that's what we're providing tonight in the open house, and it's free to attend. We love to have you. We love to show you this method and to invite friends, your team. Everyone is welcome to that. So be sure and catch it tonight. Maybe you'd even want to check out the class and know more about the class and try it out. So there's no risk to try out the class either. So who here would like to always get a yes when prospecting? Please type that in, because you're in the right place. This is a good place to do it. Now, if we applied the this is the Ask Beth show, so if we applied the 4 steps of real conversation to this, the problem in this case, I always like to walk through different scenarios each show, but the problem would be not making my calls. The emotion underneath that could be fear. The need under that could be confidence. And one way to get the confidence is to get the skills. And so I suggest always attend, please do attend the open house tonight and get your skills under your belt. I think you will be glad you did. It's something that you can use right away and put into practice right away. It's very, very valuable. Tonight could be worth thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to you. Please don't pass this up or say, oh, later or something, because it's the best method I've ever seen in network marketing. And network marketing is the best business I've seen in the world. I don't know a better one than this, in this economy especially. So this is your chance. If you're in network marketing, congratulations for being in what I feel is the best business in the world. I challenge anybody to show me a better one that has greater return on investment and unlimited ceiling, train as you go, and all that. And congratulations if you find yourselves on your way to the open house tonight, because then I think you are learning the best method in the world for the best business in the world, and we're happy to share that with you for free. So 9 p.m. Eastern Time, you can get that information at the Facebook event, How to Always Get a Yes When Prospecting. You can get the Real Conversations tools at Real Conversations class. We are glad to have you. Is there anything else? Ask Beth's show. We'll be back every Saturday and Sunday. And next weekend I do have a special surprise for you. A special, beautiful mentor and friend who overcame a brain tumor. And she is going to share with us how she did that, to give other people hope and options and possibilities, I hope, to heal yourself or change anything in your life, even if people say you can't do that, or a doctor says, well, you know, there's no hope for you. And she didn't listen to that. So that will be next weekend. I believe it will be on Saturday. Next Saturday's Ask Beth show at noon Eastern Time. And let's see, have I covered everything today? Anybody have a question? Anybody want to always get a yes when prospecting? Please type that in, because I'd like to invite you to the show tonight. Okay? Thank you for watching this one. Hope it's a great Sunday where you are. Like to hear where that is. And keep the conversation going even after this live is done. If you have a question to type in, please type that in, and I can always respond to that after the show or on the next show. Okay? Everyone, take care. Thank you for all you do as network marketers, as entrepreneurs, as servants to life. That's what makes everything wonderful, isn't it? Take care. Bye-bye.